Dear student friends, I, Dr. Pradeep Devhate, Associate Professor in Department of Chemistry, Shri RLT College of Science, Akola, welcome you to watch my next video lecture on aldehydes and ketones, specially related to the reduction of aldehydes and ketones. Let's discuss the different types of reductions in aldehydes and ketones. The first one is Clemenson's reduction. Aldehydes and ketones, when reflux with a large excess of amalgamated zinc, that is, zinc treated with mercury and hydrochloric acid, carbonyl group get reduced to methylene group to give corresponding hydrocarbons. Aldehydes and ketones, when reflux with large excess of amalgamated zinc and hydrochloric acid, carbonyl group get reduced to methylene group to give corresponding hydrocarbons. This is known as Clemenson's reduction. In this reaction, actual reduction takes place on the surface of zinc. In Clemenson's reduction, the reagent uses ZnHg plus HCl, that is, amalgamated zinc and hydrochloric acid, and the effect is carbonyl group present in aldehydes and ketones get converted to methylene group. Carbonyl group present in aldehydes and ketones get converted to methylene group, that is, formation of hydrocarbons takes place. See the reaction. RCOR dash, that is aldehydes or ketones, that is carbonyl compounds, on reduction using Clemenson's reagent converted to RCH2R dash, that is hydrocarbons, with loss of zinc chloride, Hg and H2O. See the first example. Acetaldehyde, when reflux with amalgamated zinc and HCl, there is formation of ethane. Carbonyl group get converted to methylene. Here there is a formation of ethane, and during this carbonyl group get converted to methylene. Next one is benzaldehyde. It, on performing Clemenson's reductions, gives toluene. Benzaldehyde on Clemenson's reduction gives toluene. Again, CO get converted to CH2. Next examples are of ketones. Acetone undergoes reduction with ZnHg plus HCl, that is Clemenson's reagent, to give propane, whereas when acetophenone undergoes reduction using Clemenson's reagent, it gives ethyl benzene. Last one is the conversion of cyclohexanone to cyclohexane. Conversion of cyclohexanone to cyclohexane. Here also, the reagent used for reduction is amalgamated zinc and HCl. Bivalent carbonyl group get converted to CH2, that is methylene group. In Clemenson's reduction, always there is a conversion of carbonyl group into methylene group so as to form the hydrocarbons. Now see the Olff-Kirchner reduction. Aldehydes and ketones on being heated with hydrazine and a strong base like potassium hydroxide or sodium ethoxide at about 450 to 470 degrees centigrade, carbonyl group get reduced to methylene group to give corresponding hydrocarbons. Aldehydes and ketones on heating with hydrazine and a strong base like KOH or sodium ethoxide at about 450 to 470 degrees centigrade, carbonyl group get reduced to methylene group and there is a formation of hydrocarbons. This is known as Olff-Kirchner's reduction. Preferably, this method is used to reduce the ketones. Here in Olff-Kirchner reduction, reagent used for the reduction is hydrazine plus potassium hydroxide or sodium ethoxide. Hydrazine plus potassium hydroxide or sodium ethoxide. And the effect is same as in Clemmensen's reduction. That is conversion of carbonyl group to methylene group, that is formation of hydrocarbons. See the reaction. Carbonyl compounds reacts with hydrazine to form hydrazone with loss of water molecule. Carbonyl compounds reacts with hydrazine to form hydrazone with loss of water molecule. This hydrazone then reacts with KOH or sodium ethoxide to give hydrocarbon RCH2 R dash and there is a loss of N2. Initially carbonyl compounds reacts with hydrazine, there is a formation of hydrazone, loss of water molecule. Then after hydrazone reacts with KOH or sodium ethoxide, that is the strong bases, to give hydrocarbons along with loss of N2. The first example is the conversion of acetaldehyde to ethane, and in second there is conversion of acetophenone to ethyl benzene. In both these reactions, carbonyl group get converted to methylene group, that is CO to CH2, and so there is a formation of hydrocarbons. Next is Meervin-Pondorf-Verley reduction. Meervin-Pondorf-Verley reduction, commonly called as MPV reduction. Here, in case of MPV reduction, aldehydes and ketones, when treated with aluminum propoxide in isopropanol, carbonyl group get reduced to alcoholic group to give corresponding alcohols. Here carbonyl group get reduced to the alcoholic group, and this is known as MPV reduction, that is Meervin-Pondorf-Verley reduction. During the reaction, aluminum isopropoxide is oxidized to acetone, which is continuously removed from the reaction mixture by slow distillation to shift the reaction in forward direction. The reagent used is aluminum isopropoxide, that is CH3 by 2 CHO by 3 Al plus isopropyl alcohol. Reagent is aluminum isopropoxide plus isopropyl alcohol. Here in this reduction, the effect is carbonyl group get converted to alcohol group, that is CO to CHOH, so as to form the alcohols. See the reaction. 3 moles of carbonyl compounds reacts with aluminum isopropoxide in presence of isopropyl alcohol, followed by hydrolysis using dilute sulfuric acid to get alcohol. During reaction, aluminum isopropoxide get oxidized to acetone, which is continuously removed. Aluminum propoxide get oxidized to acetone, and during this reaction it is continuously removed. See the first example. Acetaldehyde on MPV reduction using aluminum isopropoxide gives ethanol. Here acetaldehyde on reduction gives ethanol. Carbonyl group get converted to alcoholic group. CO get converted to CHOH. This is the example of MPV reduction, that is Meerwein-Ponndorf-Verley reduction. See the next examples. Benzaldehyde get converted to benzyl alcohol, acetone to 2-propanol, and acetophenone to 1-phenyl ethanol. These are the examples of MPV reduction. Benzaldehyde get converted to benzyl alcohol, acetone to 2-propanol, and acetophenone to 1-phenyl ethanol. In all these reactions, there is conversion of carbonyl group into alcoholic group, so as to form the respective alcohols. In MPV reduction, exclusively reduction of carbonyl group into alcoholic group takes place. Exclusively the reduction of carbonyl group into alcoholic group takes place. Other reducible groups like double bond, nitro group, etc. present in carbonyl compounds remains unaffected. Here in MPV reduction, exclusively the reduction of carbonyl group takes place. Carbonyl group gets converted into the alcohol groups. Other reducible groups like double bond, nitro group present in carbonyl compounds remains unaffected. Last one is reduction by using lithium aluminum hydride, that is LiAlH4. Reduction by LiAlH4. Aldehydes and ketones, on being reacted with lithium aluminum hydride in presence of ether, carbonyl group get reduced to alcoholic group and corresponding alcohols are obtained. Here, using LiAlH4, aldehydes and ketones get reduced to alcohols, carbonyl group get converted to alcoholic group. The reagent used here is LiAlH4, that is lithium aluminum hydride plus ether, and the effect of reduction is same as that of MPV reduction, that is conversion of carbonyl group into alcoholic group, conversion of bivalent CO into CHOH so as to form the alcohols. See the reaction. Carbonyl compound RCOR dash, when treated with LiAlH4 in presence of ether get reduced to RCHOH R dash, that is alcohol. Aldehydes or ketones get converted into alcohols. Just now watch the examples of conversion of aldehydes to alcohols. Aldehyde on reduction using lithium aluminum hydride, aldehyde, that is the acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde on reduction using lithium aluminum hydride gives ethanol, whereas benzaldehyde on reduction using LiAlH4 gives benzyl alcohol. Acetaldehyde gives the ethanol and benzaldehyde on reduction gives the benzyl alcohol. Conversion of CO into CHOH group, that is carbonyl to alcoholic group. Next examples are of ketones, a reduction of ketones by using the reagent, that is LiH4. By reduction using LiAlH4, acetone get reduced to 2-propanol and acetophenone to 1-phenyl ethanol. Acetone get reduced to 2-propanol, whereas acetophenone get reduced to 1-phenyl ethanol by using the reducing agent, that is LiAlH4. This is the reduction by using reagent LiAlH4. Dear students, this is all about the reduction of carbonyl compounds, that is aldehydes and ketones, using different reducing agents. Please study well. Please concentrate on your studies. Have a good day. Thank you. Thank you very much.